It's late in the fall, and the grass is still green from the mild weather and the recent rain, but it's starting to get a bit muddy in the chicken yard. Seeing all the fallen maple and ash leaves, we decided to do what we could to spice up the bare soil and give the girls something to scratch in. We have already spread many of the leaves over the vegetable gardens, but there is never a shortage around here. After laying out a big tarp, we raked as many leaves as we thought we could carry and headed up the hill. This is our third trip today, and there are still a lot left on the ground to overwinter. The girls knew they were in for a treat. Candy is always beside us with her ball, hoping we'll give her a few tosses. She will have to wait. Getting the leaves through the gate is a tight squeeze. There are likely some bugs and a few greens in the leaf pile, but not for long. The leaves also help to keep their feet clean. This is one of the last garden pumpkins. It will be gone by tomorrow morning. Soon the outside water bucket will be a block of ice, but for now they still enjoy a cold drink. After all that work, could there be a red strawberry under those leaves? Yup. The last one of the season. A little sour, but still good. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you want to see more, please subscribe and share it with your friends. Until next time, this has been Homestead Homebodies. Thanks for watching.